Hello. All right, time for our daily recap today. For most of the charts, I won't go into the weekly level and then 4 hour level and 1 hour level. I'm just going to go with the 1 hour level charts just for the review here. So for Bitcoin, I was thinking today we would have been able to hit the $75,000 mark. We weren't, but we were able to, I'm not sure if that just hit or was very close to 73,000 that one wick. But then we quickly came back down. So we'll have to see tomorrow's price action after market open for the New York session to see what the ETF volume brings. Overall today, it was just chopping around, consolidating, so we can see a bit more of that, and it'll just be a slow grind up to 75,000. And after that, likely we'll see profit taking. I was really looking for this pattern here to repeat from last week. We see that from Sunday here, we got that push, another push, and then it just pushed all the way up. And then a flash crash, retest, took that out, and then we got the big dip for a great buying opportunity. I was hoping for something like that to happen this week, but it didn't in one day, so maybe it'll happen over a couple of days here. For Ethereum, same thing, not too much, just consolidating. Looks like it might want to break out here in the evening, but we'll see what happens. Solana, pretty much nothing, just consolidating here. Render, just a consolidation here as well. Still hoping for one last push for the third push, the third leg up before the AI conference, but we'll see if we get that. Just wanted to look at a few other coins as well, because with Bitcoin making new all-time highs and potentially going up to 75,000, all of these other coins here with this similar price chart, these could retest previous, I wouldn't say previous highs necessarily, but 50% of the highs is maybe manageable. There's a lot of coins that have already made kind of a U shape to hit this level, about the midway point of the previous high. Some have gone all the way up to the previous high, depending on the coin, the project. But for all of these ones, not really aiming for all-time high and beyond, just really hoping for at least this level here as we see that they're starting to move up. So Graph is one of them, DYDX is another one of them, Uni is another one of them. Uni is further along that timeline already. It's almost close to that level. But for Uni, they do have some potential news as well that could, depending on how it goes, if the vote goes through and passes for their fees, then that could be a potential bullish movement that empowers them or powers it up to all-time highs. If not, then it can go all the way back down. And up next is Anchor. Nice price movement here. Just hoping for that to reclaim, once again, 50% of the previous highs, hopefully. EOS, same idea. This one, it still hasn't broken out of this channel yet, or this consolidation, so still keeping a close eye on that. Once it breaks out, then, just like the others, watching for a 50% move. Lastly is Scale. Much like EOS, still in that consolidation, hasn't quite broken out all the way out of it, but we're starting to get there. There's a lot of coins that have this price action, so I would keep an eye on that. But for all of these ones, once again, I'm not too conscious of what their project is overall, good or bad, just looking solely at price action. And I'll be happy if they all hit 50% of previous highs. Look to take my profits there. Good luck. See you tomorrow.